Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the angles. Let us see the introduction of angle. The figure formed by two rays with a common point is called an angle. That is, when two rays have common starting point, they form an angle at that point. When two rays have common starting point, they form an angle at that point. Now let us see some examples of an angle. Bridges, buildings, cell phone towers, wings of planes, bicycles, windows, doors, and things around us have an angle in them. Now let us see some formation of angles. See the first one, angle formed by meeting of two rays. First one is angle formed by meeting of two rays. Next, second one, angle formed by intersection of two rays. Angle formed by intersection of two rays. Third one, angle formed by meeting of two line segments. Angle formed by meeting of two line segments. Next, last one, angle formed by intersection of two line segments. Angle formed by intersection of two line segments. Now let us see the conversation between teacher and student. Name of the student is Ramu. Now the conversation begins. Teacher, what does the picture show? Ramu, this picture shows an angle. Does angle have names, sir? Teacher, yes, angles have names. Can you see two line segments in this picture? Read the names of that. Ramu, sir, this angle has two line segments. They are BA and BC. Teacher, which is the common point of the two line segments? Ramu, B is the common point. Teacher, these two line segments make an angle. Common point B is vertex. BA and BC are arms of the angle. Ramu, then how can we name the angle in the picture? Teacher, an angle is mentioned by 3 alphabet. The center letter of the angle denotes the vertex. Ramu, then ABC is the name of the angle. Am I right, sir? Teacher, yes, we should mention the angle as angle ABC. Ramu, sir, can we write angle CBA instead of the angle ABC? Teacher, sure. Angle ABC and angle CBA are same. Now let us see an activity. Here the picture of the angle is given. You have to find the name of the angle, name of the vertex, and name of the two arms of the angle. See the first picture. First one is ABC. Angle ABC is given. See this picture, first one. The name of the angle is ABC, angle ABC or angle CBA. Here the name of the vertex is B. Then name of two arms are AB and BC. Now see the second picture. The name of the angle DEF or FED. Here the name of the vertex is E. Two arms of angle EF and ED. See the third picture. Here name of the angle PQR or RQP. Name of the vertex is Q. The two arms of angle PQ and QR. Is it clear, students? Now let us see the example of angles around us. See the first picture, angle between ground and staircase. See the second picture, angle between ladder and the ground. See the third one, angle between branches of a tree. Next one, angle in a electric pole. Next one, angle in a bicycle. Next one, angle in a house. See the last one, angle in a clock. Now let us see the first picture. This is an acute angle. If the angle measures greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Again I am telling, listen. If the angle measures greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. See the next picture, that is obtuse angle. If the angle measures greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Listen, if the angle measures greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Next, see the third angle, that is a right angle. If the angle measures exactly 90 degree, that is called a right angle. See the last picture, that is a straight angle. If the angle measures exactly 180 degree is called a straight angle. Is it clear, student? Okay, students, again I am telling, listen carefully. The angle which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Next one, the angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. The angle exactly 90 degree, that is called a right angle. The last one, the angle exactly 180 degree is called a straight angle. Is it clear, students? Thank you.